Come on, let's go.
Yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music.
Oh, look at these two.
I'm gonna do a little porter. He knew the rules.
You did the roll.
You got any change?
I have no change, dude. I got dude.
Do you have any change? I said I want change, dude.
I got gum. No.
I want change.
It's about to get crazy, guys. Hyper grill sessions. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Oh my God.
If you thought it was going to be
Oh my gosh.
and you went in there.
Jump on the rally last minute and still be first place. Is that your breakfast, dude?
That's champions,
I
dude.
heard you're a Coke sponsor, dude.
Wait till you see who sponsors Tootsie Roll.
How's the run?
Dude, we missed you guys.
What do you mean?
Wait, we missed you.
Yeah,
Yo, Kelly, did you win against Tashir or did you beat?
Yeah, I won.
Yeah, dude.
In what world? Because I thought something
saw
was
him in the
flapping
back.
on the back of your bumper, so I was like, let me check and see. And then I was like, nah, never mind.
So you were in the back. It was your customized plates.
This is an SF90 with a Seto Fiorano kit. It's crazy.
Heads is Time and Jamboree. Tails is barbecue.
Barbecue!
Time and Jamboree, dude. Time and Jamboree.
Smoke it.
Bro, it's not even green yet, Dave. You still gotta turn left, dude.
He's wondering if you get a shave downstairs too.
Yeah, we have diamond. I can do LA. I can do angels.
Just do a little bit.
Yo,
It's gonna do it anyway.
Yo.
Look at John Mumma right here, dude. The brothers, dude.
Yeah, it's spreading COVID.
Look at it.
Dude, how is it that we're always first in line, partner?
No, partner, because you guys leave before everybody.
Wait, whoa.
What's the speed limit?
Oh, wait. Oh, that's okay. Hey, partner.
Pretty much.
Oh, no. Yeah, I saw you got pulled over.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Literally, I have God on my side today, seriously.
What did they
Look
do?
at me. Let's go!
Let's go!
So basically, this guy was like, so we see there's a bunch of supercars out there like speeding and stuff. Were you one of them? I was like, no.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. We're just driving down the freeway. And I said that we're on like a rally for kids with cancer. You know, I kind of...
Smart.
And then he was like, okay, well I'm gonna give you a warning this time, but keep it slow, okay? And like there's plenty of other CHP guys down on the freeway, so they're waiting for you. I'm like, all right, whatever.
Yeah, let's go.
My phone, because my maps wasn't working right, and we were at a light, and I was on my phone at the light, and she fucking pulled me.
Did she give
I literally was checking my phone like this, and she fucking pulled me over.
No way.
And she wrote.
No.
Oh, again, dude?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
But
Girl.
Annie, I was like, I'm sorry for my husband's negligence. I will put the insurance card in the car when I get home.
Hey, yo,
Again,
2 for 2
dude.
got off, dog. Let's go.
Dude, let's go.
2 gets pulled over twice and gets 2 tickets in a day. Dude, it's because you look homeless.
Dog,
You gotta change up the look. Let's
Start with the nose, dude.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
I'm gonna drop you, dog.
Oh my God.
You're next, partner.
Damn, that's yours, dude?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
Near me.
Hey, Mark. Hey, yo, his dick just holds up his pants, dude, doesn't he?
That's true, dude.
Man, nobody wants to see an anaconda, dog.
Yo.
Damn, dude.
You know what?
Oh shit, dude. You can stop recording. Dude, it's an ice.
Dude, wait, Maddie and you do it both at the same time.
Someone there?
Yeah, there's 3 people just standing there.
Dude, look at them, they're panicking.
They're panicking, dude.
Look at the valet, he's like, fuck! The valet's like, get the fuck out of here. Yeah, he's like, y'all gotta get the fuck out.
Manny, turn your
Alright, everyone turn up. Everyone
Been so much better in the video,
Alright, hit it then, bitch. Oh, damn, dog. What about this, dude? Come on, hit it, dog. Yo, what about this, dog? Yeah.
That's Owen. Fucking Oliver, dude.
Yo, what's wrong, dude? It's not an Asian, it's a stroke. Yo, just here, look.
Look at his eyes, dude.
Dude, good morning, dude. You looking like a stud muffin.
You look like a snack.
Are you tired from yesterday? Yeah. Are you serious?
Dirty dog.
Dude, I can't believe it's gone.
One more chance to get down for a rib. You want to risk it?
This is also you and Sync Grabs and everyone, the whole team.
Hey, you can still turn around.
You know what? Fuck it.
And
Here we go.
boom.
Done.
Done. Where's it heading off to?
Going to Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Too many memories with us.
Way too many.
Too many memories of this breaking down, and I think we're gonna do a little tribute, a little 30-second tribute of all the things we've done in
Oh
the
yeah,
car.
definitely.
Yo, play it.
Ready?
Oh, nice.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to drive it?
Oh, he was about to do it too.
Classic.
Fucking car's fast.
Should get a race car, they said. That'll be fun.
Pulled you over for your speed. You don't have any bumper in the back of this vehicle also. If you're gonna tell me going 65 miles per hour, there's not.
Little vending machine.
Like a vending machine. I want
He's
that
like,
one.
yeah, I'll get that one.
Bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline.